visuals from Delhi's Jantar Mantar. You can see in the picture there, Delhi Chief Minister Sheila Dikshit attempted to go and speak with the crowds of protesters at Jantar Mantar. Remember, earlier today, the Chief Minister had in fact asked the Home Minister as well as the police to allow those protests to continue peacefully at India Gate as well. Even so, when she did reach the scene of protest, she faced a lot of booing, a lot of heckling, as well as being pushed around. You can see how difficult it was for the camera to even keep a steady shot over there. Eventually, after spending about 10 to 15 minutes, Sheila Dikshit lighting a candle for this young girl, the 23-year-old Delhi gang rape victim, who the nation is mourning today after she died last night at a Singapore hospital, succumbing to her injuries. Sheila Dikshit paying homage to her and then left over there. Those visuals just coming in from Delhi's Jantar Mantar. Certainly the Chief Minister making the attempt, trying to send that message that she stands with the protests. Earlier today we've also heard from the President, the Prime Minister, and a short while ago a televised statement coming from Congress President Sonia Gandhi as well. As you can see, quite a lot of chaos there. Our correspondent Arunoday Mukherjee was there amongst the crowds as well. Arunoday, it certainly seemed as if the Delhi Chief Minister wanted to come there, make a message to the protesters, but the protesters perhaps in no mood to listen.
Well, you know, we've only heard protesters say that they want representation from the government to come and meet them, to have a say, have a dialogue, and whether this was an attempt by Sheila Dikshit to do that, or whether there was more politics to it or not. The crowd did not even give her a chance to walk inside towards Jantar Mantar. In fact, she was there at the other corner of Jantar Mantar. She entered from that area, and that's where she was. I think she must have taken about 10 to 15 steps in towards Jantar Mantar, but then she was pushed back again. She was surrounded by Delhi police personnel who were shielding her because the crowd was extremely angry, and they were booing her, they were heckling her, and they continue to boo and heckle her even though she left after about 10 minutes. But she did manage to light a candle here at Jantar Mantar. Let me just get in a word from some people who were present here. Ma'am, were you there when Chief Minister Sheila Dikshit was here? Did you hear that she had just come?
वो आई और देख के एकदम चली गई अपने सिर साइड करने के लिए. बाकी लोग तो
आपको लगता है सिर्फ वो राजनीतिक कारणों से आई थी या एक बार यहाँ की जनता को उनको एक मौका देना चाहिए था कुछ बोलने के लिए?
नहीं, वो अपने देखने ही आए थे और कुछ नहीं. बाकी इन्होंने देखा, ये ज्यादा बता पाएंगे.
सर, क्योंकि शीला दीक्षित जो आई है वो अपने वोट बैंक के लिए आई हैं, कोई आम पब्लिक के लिए नहीं आई. रोज बलात्कार होते गए हैं. कितने घरों में वो गई हैं आज तक, कितनों को संवेदना उन्होंने दी है, मन से, आत्मा से, कितनों का भला किया है. कई केस तो मैं भी अपने लेकर गई, पर आज तक हमें कोई संवेदना इनसे नहीं मिली, इसलिए पब्लिक ने, आम पब्लिक ने इन्हें भगा दिया.
Okay, so that's the general the general sense. There's so much anger that Sheila Dikshit attempted to come here and make a conversation with the people, and she was not even allowed to do that. She was here for about a maximum of 10 minutes, but before that she was pushed away by the crowd. They literally escorted her out over here, booing her, heckling her. Very powerful visuals at that point of time. In fact, we barely managed to get a glimpse of Sheila Dikshit. It was a tense situation for the Delhi police also present here, because the crowd had suddenly gathered in one corner of Jantar Mantar where Sheila Dikshit was entering from. The Chief Minister trying to reach out to the public, but the public completely rejecting her. So, Hasni.